In the heart of the dense Amazon rainforest, where the trees touched the sky and the rivers flowed like veins through the land, there lived a majestic elephant named Amar. Amar was unlike any other elephant in the jungle. He possessed not only incredible strength but also wisdom beyond his years. Amar was known as the guardian of the rainforest, watching over its inhabitants with a gentle yet commanding presence. He spent his days wandering through the lush greenery, his massive frame moving gracefully among the towering trees. One day, as Amar was exploring a remote corner of the jungle, he stumbled upon a hidden grove where a family of endangered jaguars had made their home. The jaguars were in trouble, their habitat threatened by illegal loggers who sought to exploit the riches of the rainforest. Determined to protect his fellow creatures, Amar rallied the animals of the jungle to stand together against the invaders. With his strength and leadership, they waged a peaceful but powerful protest, blocking the loggers' access to the precious trees. Despite facing great danger, Amar never wavered in his resolve to defend the rainforest. He used his wisdom to negotiate with humans, urging them to understand the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature. As the days passed, more and more animals joined the cause, inspired by Amar's courage and determination. Birds sang songs of solidarity from the treetops, while monkeys chattered excitedly as they swung from branch to branch, spreading the message of unity throughout the jungle. The loggers soon realized that they were no match for the united front of the rainforest's inhabitants. With their machinery silenced and their plans thwarted, they retreated from the jungle, leaving behind a legacy of conservation and respect for nature. From that day forward, Amar was hailed as a hero among the animals of the Amazon. He became a symbol of hope and resilience, teaching future generations the importance of protecting their home and standing up for what is right. And so, under Amar's wise guidance, the rainforest thrived, its lush greenery teeming with life once more. The animals lived in harmony, grateful for the noble elephant who had saved their home and ensured a future where the Amazon would continue to flourish for generations to come. Thank you for watching this video.